Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to talk about how did I learn and how much time it took me to speak at this level. So watch this video till end and till end. Mm, because at the at the end in this video you will have a complete roadmap and blueprint. So continue friend. How did I learn spoken English and how can you apply that same things? I'm going to tell about that. And genuinely, if I tell you genuinely, then yeah, it took 6 months. Yeah, 6 months only to speak English at this level to improve my spoken English. So friend, do you want to speak English and do you want to start English speaking journey, but you are thinking that how to do and what to do and how can I, what are the thinking by using you can start your English speaking journey. There are so many things by using that you can English speaking journey, and there are multiple methods by using you can start, but I will tell you the best method by using that you can start your journey. And not only you will start, but also if you are trying it, then you will be fluent one day, definitely. So what you can do, already I told you that there are so many things and there are so multiple ways by using that you can speak, but I would prefer that by using to translate everything, whatever you see whenever you go. It's my method. If you are a beginner and if you do not know anything about English and you are thinking that what to do or how to start or how I can be able to speak in English, then start by translating. Yes friend, you heard right. So friend, if you are a beginner, then you will translate in your mind from your mother tongue to English, and later you will speak, because you don't know anything, you have just started. This is the best process, friend. So I recommend you, whatever you see or you watch, try to translate in your head, and later and after that try to speak in the English. So friend, there are various methods, but I don't follow that, and I don't know means how much various method I don't need that, because when I used to speak, or I was learning, or I used to learn that at first or initially, yes, of course, I was doing this, or I used to follow these rules, translation method only, or I did not know anything. Whenever or whatever I see, like by watching TV, by reading books, whatever, try to speak. Then I was trying like this. You can do it. Means you are listening. Means already you know that your mother tongue. That first you form your mother tongue from mother tongue to English. Try to convert or translate in your head. Then you try to speak whatever you translated in your head. Try it. Initially you can't, but later or gradually, yes, of course, you can definitely. And that's it, friend. Follow these rules. Thank you for watching.